Hi everyone. Today, I'm going to share a touching story about courage and sacrifice called The Selfless Brother. Let's listen and reflect on the valuable lessons from this story. There was a little girl lying in the hospital due to a rare blood disorder. She badly needed a blood donor, but no match could be found. Finally, they decided to check her 6-year-old brother's blood, and fortunately, he was a match. The boy's mother and the doctor sat him down and explained that they needed his blood to save his sister. The boy waited for a moment, then asked if he could think about it. The mother and doctor were surprised by his response but agreed. The next day, the boy sat in front of the doctor and his mother and said he agreed to give his blood to his sister. The hospital staff moved quickly because the girl was in critical condition. The boy was placed in a bed next to his sister so he could understand what was happening. The transfusion began, and quickly, color and life returned to the girl. Everyone was overjoyed. Then the boy quietly asked the doctor,
"How long will it be before I die?"
You see, the boy thought that by giving his blood, he was giving his own life. That's why he needed time to think.
This story is truly touching and meaningful. First, the boy's selflessness and willingness to sacrifice himself to save his sister are noble traits. Family love can drive us to do extraordinary things. The boy's courage, despite misunderstanding that donating blood could cost him his life, clearly demonstrates this. The story also reminds us the importance of clear communication. If the boy had understood the process better, he wouldn't have faced such fear and worry. Finally, the boy's decision to donate blood, after taking time to think, emphasizes the value of voluntariness and decisions made from the heart, not under pressure. This story encourages us to live with love, help others, and face challenges bravely.
The story The Selfless Brother brings many valuable lessons, doesn't it? Remember, living selflessly, lovingly, and courageously
Can make our lives more meaningful.
If you find this video helpful, please share it with your friends and family. Subscribe to my channel and leave a comment about stories or lessons you want to share. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.